Hi, I'm Sam from Duel. I just wanted to show you this kit we put together. This kit has been designed for anybody who's got a car, anybody who's interested in cleaning the car. You don't have to be a professional or enthusiast. Anybody can use this kit. We've got shampoo, we've got wheel cleaner, we've got a detail spray which will add a lovely, lovely gloss to your car and protection. And lastly, we've got the interior cleaner, keep you inside looking factory fresh. And I'm going to take a quick 30 seconds and show you how to use these products.